Raphael and Alex had 352 marbles altogether. After Raphael lost 25% of his marbles, the ratio of Raphael's to Alex's marbles became 9:4. How many marbles did Alex have? Now, the key thing to understand in this Rosayev 2022 prelim question is that only Raphael lost his marbles. Alex's marbles, key thing to understand, Alex's marbles remain same. Okay, so let's study Raphael's marbles. 25% was lost, so that 25% we change it into a fraction, and we now know that Raphael lost 1 unit out of a total of 4 units. Okay, so let's talk about Raphael's ratio of marbles. So again, he lost 1. He is left with 4 minus 1, 3, and he had a total of 4. Okay, so at the end, Raphael should have actually left with 9 units. Alright, so he should have 9. So at this number here, which is 3, you have to make it 9 because these two numbers must be the same. Alright, so how do we do that? You just take this entire ratio and times everything by 3. So 3 is to 9 is to 12. So we now know that the total units that Raphael had at first is 12 and Alex is 4 because Alex did not change, remember that. Alright, so 12 plus 4 will be 16 units, and that is 352 marbles. So next step, 12 plus 4, that is 16, and 16 units is equals to 352 marbles. And we want to find out how many did Alex have. Alex is 4 units. So you don't even need to find 1 unit. You can just divide both sides by 4. And you divide this by 4 as well. So 352, divide that by 4. 352 divided by 4, and that will give you 88 marbles. This is how many marbles Alex had at first and also in the end, because his did not change. Final answer for this question, 88.